The text panel in Adobe Premiere Pro, also known as the Essential Graphics panel, is a versatile tool for creating and editing text and graphic elements. Here's what it does. 1. Create text. You can easily add and customize text for titles, lower thirds, captions, and other text-based elements. Use the Type tool to create text directly on the program monitor. 2. Edit text properties. Adjust font, size, color, spacing, and other text attributes to fit your design needs. You can also apply text styles and effects. 3. Animate text. Use keyframes to create animations such as fade-ins, fade-outs, and movements, giving your text dynamic and engaging transitions. 4. Add shapes and graphics. Include shapes like rectangles and circles and other graphic elements to enhance your titles and text. 5. Use templates. Browse and use pre-designed motion graphics templates, demograph files, to create professional quality text animations quickly and easily. 6. Layer management. Manage and arrange layers of text and graphics, similar to working in Adobe After Effects or Photoshop. The text panel is a powerful feature for adding visual elements to your videos, making your projects look polished and professional.